quad canes. They come in small base, which is a smaller base, and we have our large base. You can see the difference between the two. These are adjustable, and again, you want to make sure, obviously this one's too low, you want the handle to hit around your wrist. So to adjust the quad cane height, unscrew this screw here, and your silver button pushes in. You're going to slide this up until it clicks into place, and then you will check to see if it's the proper height. So that is a good height for my stance. So I want to make sure I screw this back in. And now that's a good, you get a 20 to 30 degree angle on your elbow. So that's good. So you want to make sure when you're using a quad cane that these two prongs here are straight. So when they're resting against your foot, it's not a tripping hazard. If it was the other way around, they're more of an angle and there's more likelihood that you might trip yourself up. So you want to make sure that this is the straighter side on the inside. If you happen to need this on the other side, so if I'm right hand, if I need to have this in my right hand, and this is the angled prongs are coming out, you adjust that by loosening the screw. And all you do is release the button, spin it, make sure your button clicks back in, and then you retighten your screw. And now is in position to use in my right hand. So you have the large base quad cane, which is a wider base, and this one is a little more difficult to use on stairs. This one here is smaller, so it gives you a little more flexibility where you can use this. Most important thing with these are to make sure your pathways are clear, no throw rugs, make sure you're picking this up over transitions between carpet and hardwood floorings or tile or vinyl flooring. And you want to make sure that this is down before you begin to put your weight and walk into it. And that is the small base and the large base quad canes.